Where's your brother? I have no idea. Is it easy to play that sport? Yes, it's pretty easy to play. What size shoe do you wear? I wear a size 12. Should we go home now? No, let's not go home yet. Whose car is that? I don't know. What do you think about this book? I think the book is very interesting. Do you travel much? I'd like to. I used to travel several times a year though. Why were you late this morning? The traffic was bad. Do you want to watch the game? Naturally. Have you ever driven a bus? No, never. Did you see Clara last night? Yes, she was wearing a very nice jacket. What country are you from? I'm from the US. Did the burglar steal all your CDs? I'm afraid so. Excuse me, do you work here? Yes, can I help you? When are you leaving? I'm leaving on Monday. What time are you leaving? I'm leaving at 4 o'clock. Have you got enough bread? Yes, we've got plenty. What's your favorite website? I think it's probably youtube.com. What color is this? This is yellow. How many stars does this hotel have? 5 stars. Where are you going? Nowhere. Do you have friends who live in another country? Yes, some of my friends live in Latin America. Do you live alone? No, I live with my parents. When do you go to school? At about 8 o'clock in the morning. How do you take your coffee? Milk and 1 sugar, please. How's life? Not too bad. You? How often do you come here? I come here almost every day. Do you think English is easy? Yes. Do you have a table for 2? Sorry, no table is left. Do you mind if I use your phone? I'm sorry, but I am waiting for the call. What countries would you like to visit next time? England and the USA. What's happened? Nothing serious. Where's the box? It's here. What do you like doing? I like learning English. Would you prefer to have dinner now or later? I prefer later. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Why do you go by bus? Because it's cheaper than the train. Are you an only child? No, I have brothers. Can you lend me 100 euros? No way. What kinds of sports do you like? I really like football and badminton. What's wrong with you? I don't feel well. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. Should I tell him about it? Better not, I think. What's this made of? I think of clay. May I speak to Mr. John? This is John speaking. Is it a 5-star hotel? Yes, it is. Shall we go to the show tonight? Yes, let's go. Does she know Claude? No, she's never met him. Do you like cream cakes? No, I don't like them very much. Is there a bus to the airport? Yes, there is. How come this is so expensive? Because it's good quality. Are you sure she did it? Yes, quite sure. Is she in trouble? Not as far as I know. Are you coming with me? No, I don't think so. I'm staying here. Is it true that you speak Chinese? Yes, I can. Why were you so late? I had to wait half an hour for the bus. Where's the secretary? I suppose she's going to be late as usual. What would you like to drink? Just water for me. What day is it today? Tuesday. No, today's Wednesday. How much does this cost? It's $1. Would you like another piece of cake? No thank you, I've had enough. How often do you read books? I read books almost every night before I go to bed. What time do you usually get up? At about 7 o'clock in the morning. Anyone want a lift to the station? Thanks, it's a long walk from here. Can you write it down for me? Sure. Do you know any German? I only know how to say hi in German. What's that building? It's a school. You passed your driving test first time? Wonderful. Where is the school located? It's located in New York City, United States. May I use your pen? Sure, go ahead. May I use your phone? Sure, go ahead. Are you going to Spain as usual this year? Very probably. Where did you stay? In that hotel. When will you go on holiday? Next month. Did you build it yourself? Absolutely. Would you like some ice cream? No, thank you, it's too sweet. Did you accept? No, I sent a letter of refusal. What 4 languages do you know? I know English and Spanish, and you? Do you want to go out? Not especially. Do you like this hotel? Yes, it's amazing. Are they going to be at the meeting? I suppose so. Should I call you tonight? No, call me in the morning. Is that the one? Yes, that's it. Would you pass me the salt? Here you are. Who got the blame for breaking the window? Me, of course. Do you work or study? I study. What's that record? It sounds like Elgar. Do you have to leave already? I'm afraid so. Why didn't you tell me? I did tell you. What's your native town? Moscow. Was it a disaster? Not exactly a disaster, but it didn't go very well. What time should we leave? The sooner the better. Where would you like to go? I'd like to go home.